Straight to the Heat on YouTube, yeah. Ireland's fastest growing YouTube channel. 20,000 views in a week. 500 and something, nearly 600 subscribers. He's going to Thailand soon. Look at all the support he's getting. He's going to Thailand with an army. Look at his little mic. His little gimbal and tripod follows him. Same make as the drone as well. All the GoPro and all the best of gear. This has to be big.
I ain't mad at you.
Can't wait to see the next one. Episode 3. I'm gonna start episode 3 off with a wallop. Thanks for the 20,000 views and climbing, and all the subscribers, and the comments and the shares. I love yous. I'm gonna go to the gym. You always feel great after that.
What's up, everybody? It's Anthony Pretty Boy Taylor. I am in Ireland. Y'all need to definitely look out from the streets to the heat. Up in Thailand. Stay tuned for more to come.
Best off being legit, cause that face your drums out your identity. On the other hand, got these young MCs spitting real shit relentless. Speaking with an energy, and built the shit that meant to me. No nonsense in the content when they step to speak. I was once unknown, too big, giving death to beats. No one guided, but voided a bit on me. Took this rap shit from all that's that shit to that's the shit. Yeah, part of the recipe is the blueprint if the shoe fits, kid bless the beat. And when he asks you started the shit, you can tell them me. Don't play on these melodies, rap or portray what you never. Because facts are the facts, not the facts don't match. You might get a play part, but it's fact, you never get a play back. When a lack of sincerity is displayed in your energy. Got no love for that shit. If you don't touch off a right, get the fuck out the mic. Put one foot in the right, and you best come off right. I'm a done with your right. If we sus that you faked if I cash, not being real to the mic. What's a slide in your raps, are portrayed in your tracks, has no meaning in life. Cease what you're speaking and leave on the mic. If you blew for this life, then when you touch out the mic, wanna touch off a right. Put one foot in the right, and you best come off right. Are you done with the mic? If we sus that you faked if I cash, not being real to the mic. What's a slide in your raps, are portrayed in your tracks, has no meaning in life. So cease what you're speaking and leave on the mic.
Quality control. Alright, of your music. Don't listen to the radio. Fuck the radio. Don't let the radio dictate what you think that you should make the win. Fuck that.
This is my best mate's Dave's grave. Growing up, anything I had to tell anybody, whether it be fun, sad, exciting, or frightening news, Stormpot will be always there to listen. So I thought I'd go down and share the news as of late. As I'm moving to Thailand, I'm finished with my old lifestyle, positive things going forward now. Hope you're proud of me, brother. But to put things into context for you, Stormpot was murdered when he was 19 years of age. He was 20 actually, he was 20 for 1 week. 1 week after his 20th birthday, he was killed. One of our friends, Bata, passed away from suicide. The 3 of us were inseparable. Can't stress enough how much of a good person he was either. He made one silly mistake in his life and it cost him his life. Shot and killed at 19 years of age. As I said, anything I needed to tell anybody, he'd be doing with go there. Same with a lot of people. He left a big impact on Batter's life. He ended up killing himself a few years later. Batters was buried literally a minute and a half up the graveyard here. I'm gonna go and see him next. Shout out to the boys, I love yous. At Batter's grave now. Alright, look how young he was. Buried with his mad Adrian. But what's mad is, right, Stomper's only buried over there, and it's the same distance to where he lived. Batter lived about the same distance from here to Stomper's grave, away from Stomper, and I lived right in the middle of them. This is the reality of where we live, lads. All that fast money lifestyle is not the answer. Even if you do make it out of life, you're always going to be riddled with trauma from what happened to your friends, with drug overdoses, murders. Some of them are bleeding, walking around like zombies you grew up with. This Bata fella was a madman as well. I walked out my door one day and he drove by me gaff with a chicken coop on top of his car full of chickens. About 20 of them in it all. Back, 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 back. And he going over the ramps and all. They're just back, 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 back. So he runs down to the end of my gate and looks up the road because he only lived a few doors up from me. And he drives into his garden. Chickens nearly fell off the roof. I walked up to him and says, "What are you doing with all them chickens?" And he was like, "Help, help, help." Trying to run into his garden with them and put them out the back and all so he wouldn't get caught. He says, "Where'd you get them?" "I'm out there robbing them, quick, 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 I'm out there robbing them." All the fishing gear, carp fishing. What we saying for the next vlog? Leave a comment down below if you would like to see a fishing vlog, or if you wanted to see more madness. Don't bother, I'll keep it lit as is. But fishing is something I have a great passion for.
Hardo, 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 William Michael, Hardo, say the vow, will ya find us bloody?
Go easy, Paddy. I'll be biting from
County Kerry, Belfast,
the little bully he is.
who's a dirty, become a clay with the boys on me, woo, with the crusty oceans, Hardo, 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 will ya, Michael, Hardo, say the vow, will ya find us bloody work there? See Ross Lair and the Wexford Harbour, the wonderful house, fishing Cardala, the rascal there right through the Caloo, with the crusty oceans, Arlo, 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 will ya, Michael, Arlo, say the vow, will ya find us bloody work there? Tide of leave in the hills of Galway, fed of sailing away from Dublin, we left Limerick and you're behind us. Work across the ocean, Arlo, 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 will ya, Michael, Arlo, say the vow, will ya?
What's that?
I report you to the guards.
What are you here for? What?
You shouldn't be using that where people are going swimming.
Yeah.
Looking at people. It's an invasion of privacy.
No, it's not. No, it's not. You're in a public area, mate. You'd want to learn the law.
In a public area,
Yeah,
but that
ring the
doesn't
guards
mean
and
you can
ask
do
them.
anything you want.
Ring the guards.
Ring the guards. No kidding.
So what's that about?
Sorry.
I just want to get footage.
Is there something wrong with you?
Oh, chill him, Marty.
Sorry?
What are you having it up there above me all the time?
What do you mean? I'm recording myself, you old bollocks.
Yeah, you've need a,
Choosing people are being perverts, you fucking idiot.
you have a license to do that.
Yeah, yeah.
Have you got? Who the fuck are you to ask us them questions? What?
Can't answer, so that's obvious.
Come up here and ask us and we fuck you in the water.
Of course, aggression behind it, violence. That's it.
Yeah, you were the one with the aggression. What was that?
I said you didn't think you can do whatever you want to.
Yeah, we can do whatever we want. It's called the free country.
That's right, you can.
Feeling fresh after that dip. The lads recommended to come here on our way back from the Dublin Mountains into Tallaght, a place called the Loading Bay. We'll rate it out of 10. I hope this place is good because it was 25 quid for a burger and chips and a milkshake, and it's a 40-minute wait to give you a little buzz at the hold. This is a 10-10 gap all day long. Well worth 40 minutes away. In the snow. Fuck purple. Fuck nasty. Looks nice, isn't it? Oh. Banging. One brown one. Looking over and seeing you doing that. 10 out of 10. Best food review all around.
Oh yeah, no wonder boys, but... No, yeah, be back in the boil anyway.
10 out of 10. Carbo's on to the main event next. Kinder Bueno milkshake. Mad water.
Yeah, we just got
Brain freeze. Always fucking clean up after yourselves, lads. I can confirm that this place is definitely 10-10. Well worth the 40-minute wait. Well worth the drive out of Pallet. I'm after finding a little hidden gem here in St. Anne's. Watch this. So you're lucky enough to know where them steps are, or those steps, or you can come this way through the forest. Either way, you get to this arch. There's 3 arches. The middle one you go through. You go up these steps then you go up these steps. There's me bag and all, because I'm hanging around for this. When you get to the top of the steps, you have a sunset.
Leaving the hill to Galway, fed up sailing away from Dublin. We left the Limerick yard behind us. Worked across the ocean, Arlo, Arlo.